Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from Walgreens and we are about to get into some quick and easy and moneymaker deals. So without further ado, y'all know I don't waste no time. Let's get started. So this first deal I did is actually on these babies right here, and I had posted this deal up on my Instagram stories probably over a week ago. Hopefully you guys are following me on Instagram and you got in on this deal. I had to come in here because I had a digital coupon offer that was expiring on these today, but let me show you how this works. So I picked up a total of 4 of these because 4 are covered by my insurance. And I'm purposely not saying what these are because I don't want my video to be tagged with them. But I did pick up a total of 4. If you have an insurance plan that covers them and you have this digital point booster, you definitely want to use these. So I took 4 of them over to the pharmacy with my insurance card and let them know that I wanted to put them on my insurance. I had 0 out of pocket for these, but then I got back $15 in Walgreens cash for these. $15, you guys. So a free $15 to get started today if your insurance does cover it. Now this next deal I did was another moneymaker, and it is a double dip. So we still got double dip action at Walgreens. I am so surprised this is still working, but I'm excited about it. So what I did is I picked up 2 of the Poise pads. I made sure one of them were the ultra thin pads because I do have a 2,000 point offer for the ultra thin. So I picked up 2 of these for $11. I had a $5 paper coupon, and guess what, you guys? That $5 off of 2 digital did come off with my $5 off of 2 paper coupon. So that leaves you to pay $1 at the register. Then I submitted over to Fetch for $2, making 2 of these a $1 moneymaker. The next double dip I did is on the Mederma Scar Cream with SPF 30. So we have a $6 Ibotta rebate for this, and we also have a $5 printable coupon that I will have a link for you that I also used. So I used the $5 printable coupon, but guess what, you guys? The $5 digital came off along with the $5 store coupon. So at the register for this baby, I had to pay $9.99, but then I submitted over to Ibotta for $6 in cash back. Made this product only $3.99. All right, you guys, so this is the little in-store moneymaker that I did with the double dips. This was super easy, super simple to do. So I picked up 2 of the Poise pads, 2 for $11, and then 1 of the Mederma Scar Cream. Those are $24.99. And here are the 3 paper coupons that I used in this deal. I had a $4 register reward I needed to use. I had the $5 printable coupon for the Mederma, and then the $5 off of 2 for the Poise. So here is a close-up of my receipt. So I bought 2 of the Poise pads, 2 for $11, and then the Mederma was $24.99. I used the $5 store coupon for the Mederma, and I also used the $5 paper coupon. I used a $4 register reward in this deal as well. Then I used the $5 off of 2 paper coupon on the Poise, and then both matching digitals for the Mederma and the Poise also came off. So both of these items are doing a double dip, which is pretty awesome. So with that and a $4 register reward, that brought my subtotal down to $6.99. I did have a point booster for spend 20, get 5. I went on ahead and I used $5 in Walgreens cash, and I paid the $1.99 plus tax out of pocket. But then let's talk about what I got back. So I did get back my $5 for my point booster, and I submitted over to Ibotta. I got back $6 for the Mederma, and I submitted over to Fetch, and I got back $2 for the Poise. So we got back $8 from the rebate apps and $5 in Walgreens cash. Add back in that $4 register reward that I used. This transaction had a cost of $10.99, but then we got back a total of $13 for it. We got back $5 in Walgreens cash and $8 in cash back from rebates. That made the final cost for this transaction a $2.01 moneymaker. Next deal we're gonna get into is this spend 20, get 5 on Chic products. So in this deal, I'm gonna buy a couple of the $5.99 disposable razor products, and then I'm also gonna get one of the razors for $8.99. So for the $8.99 razor, I do have a $4.50 coupon. I'm gonna do this deal all digital as a pickup order. So with this Chic deal, what we're doing is we're picking up $20.97 worth of products. $5.99, $5.99, and $8.99 equals $20.97. So we have met that $20 in order to get back 5. With this deal, you also want to make sure that you don't use points, or you do have enough manufacturer coupons to cover that $20 spend requirement. So after the manufacturer coupons that we are using, we have two $4.50 manufacturer coupons and then one $4 manufacturer coupon, all digital. We are going to pay $7.97 for these 3 items. So you pay out $7.97 and then get back 5. It makes it $2.97 for all 3, or just 99 cents each. One deal I'm not going to do, but is a really good deal if you need them, is on the Colgate products. So select Colgate products, including these toothbrushes, are $2.99 each. We do have 2 $1 digital coupons that you can use. That'll leave you to pay $3.98 for 2 of them at the register. But then you're going to get back a $4 register reward, making them completely free. I do not want to leave this store with any register rewards today, so I'm not going to do this deal. But like I said, if you need them, definitely grab them. The Icy Hot is another great deal that I did do online. So these are cheaper online than they are in store. They're only $6.99 online. I had a $3 digital coupon, and I also had a $3 store coupon that applied, making this product just 99 cents. The Excedrin is one of my favorite deals this week. Due to the pricing, you do want to do this deal online. Do it as a pickup order. These are priced at $4.99 online. We have a $3 digital coupon, and Ebates giving back $1.50. That leaves the final cost for this at only 49 cents. And my store no longer carries the Bic razors, but if your store does, these are just $5.99, and we do have a $5 digital coupon. That will make these only 99 cents. Now let's talk about this Arm & Hammer situation. Y'all know I love this detergent. So these are on sale for $1.99, which is even better pricing than that buy one get 2 free that we usually get, because that makes them 3 for like $7.49. So this is definitely a stock up price. You can grab the packs, or you can also grab the liquid if your store has any in stock. I did grab mine in an online pickup order that I will show you guys in just a second. I did not use any promo codes, but if you know of any promo codes that are working, feel free to leave those in the comments. All right, you guys, so here's everything that I picked up in my online pickup order. So I decided to grab 5 bottles of the Arm & Hammer detergent at $1.99, and I got one of the Walgreens panty liners. Those were $2.99. I had a $2.50 digital coupon, so just 49 cents. Then I got some of the Excedrin, the Icy Hot, and I also did the Chic deal that we reviewed. So I did this deal all digital in an online pickup order. Here is a close-up of my receipt. So there is everything that we got in this order. There are all of my digital coupons. Brought my subtotal to $21.39. I did redeem $20 in Walgreens cash. Because I had over $20 in manufacturer coupons, I was okay to pay with Walgreens cash in this deal and still use my spend 20 get 5 point booster. So I only paid $1.39 out of pocket, but then I did get back a total of $10 in Walgreens cash. I got back $5 for my point booster, and I also got back 5 for the Chic deal. And then I also submitted over to Ibotta for the Excedrin, and I got back another $1.50 there as well. So after getting back that $11.50, this transaction had a total cost of $9.89. All right, you guys, so this is my complete Walgreens haul for today. I did just go do a switcheroo at the register. I swapped out that free and clear Arm & Hammer that I had for these purple packs right here, because these are the bomb if you have not tried them. So I went on ahead and made that quick switcheroo, and now I am ready to go. So everything that we got today was free, plus a $7 money maker, because we made out $17 between our in-store transaction and those tests right there. So I think that is a pretty good situation. And then we spent out $9.89 with our online pickup order. So let me know if you have any questions about today's trip. As always, I thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. And as always, you guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.